I'm really missing cooking with my family and having them all around my table. So I made some videos of cooking. This is the first one. I'm sharing them with my kids who are not here, and so I thought I'd share them with all of you. So I'm posting the whole recipe at the bottom, but here we're chopping up the small tomatoes and putting them in a nice big bowl, and then chopping up a little bit the ciliegine, the fresh mozzarella, and adding a little salt, and then putting those in a bowl too. It's important to do this while the water is starting to boil on the stove. Adding a little more salt, it really brings out the flavor of the tomatoes and the mozzarella. That's olive oil I'm sprinkling on, and letting that soak while I'm chopping the basil. Then I'm going to add the basil. Then all that stuff soaks while you're finishing with your pasta, which again, like I said, the water should be boiling on the stove. A couple of handfuls of kosher salt in that water really brings out the flavor of the pasta. Now the pasta's done, I've run a little cool water over it, and then I'm dumping it in with all those amazing ingredients, and it's done. So delicious. One of our favorite meals.